Hello and welcome to Aquarium Plant Index. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about Bolbitis heudelotii. So if you're looking to bring a sense of lush and natural elegance to your aquascape, Bolbitis heudelotii, commonly known as the African Water Fern, might just be your new favourite plant. It's native to the fast-flowing rivers and streams of West and Central Africa, and this unique plant is loved for its delicate and semi-transparent green leaves that sway beautifully in the current, offering a wild and almost untamed look to your aquascape. Bolbitis is a rhizomatous plant, meaning that it grows from a thick horizontal stem or rhizome, where it sends out fine feather-like fronged leaves. These leaves typically range from light to dark green depending on the conditions and can grow anywhere from 10 to 40 centimetres in length, making it ideal for mid-ground to background placement in your aquarium. It is more ideally suited to slightly larger aquariums, however it can make quite a nice focal point in smaller aquariums. Bolbitis should never be buried in the substrate and instead should be glued or tied to your aquarium hardscape elements such as wood or rock. Burying the rhizome can lead to rot, so keeping it exposed to both water flow and therefore getting oxygenation is key to its success. Bolbitis heudelotii is classed as a medium category plant, and it thrives in soft and slightly acidic water with a gentle to moderate lighting. And while it doesn't demand CO2, supplementing CO2 as well as micronutrients can significantly boost its growth, which is otherwise quite slow. Bolbitis heudelotii is particularly sensitive to water quality, so ensuring stable parameters and also low nitrate levels can help you maintain its signature clarity and leaf structure. It definitely does best in mature aquariums where the biological stability has already been established. One of the most attractive features of Bolbitis heudelotii is how it moves. When placed in areas of gentle flow, the finely divided leaves create a slow, rippling motion that can bring a calming energy to the aquascape. So when it comes to propagating Bolbitis heudelotii, it is quite simple. You can just simply divide the rhizome, and once the plant matures, new shoots will form from the split sections, especially when given enough time and a nutrient-rich environment. Bolbitis pairs wonderfully with wood-heavy layouts, biotope tanks and jungle-style scapes. Its wild jungle-like texture creates the perfect backdrop and also a soft contrast to boulder plants or open spaces. This is not a fast filler plant and patience is definitely key, but the reward is a visually rich, natural aesthetic that few plants can match. In the right aquascape, Bolbitis becomes a very subtle and powerful presence. Whether you're building a jungle-style layout, a blackwater, a biotope, or just want a textural change from the usual ferns that are available in the hobby, Bolbitis heudelotii offers something special to your aquarium. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Aquarium Plant Index, and if you've enjoyed this one, please hit that like and subscribe so that you can see more videos like this, and we will see you on the next one.